Do some more. More. Hurry up. Your friends are waiting. Hurry. Wow, look at mix the colors. Purple and red. I love it.
Welcome to my grandma.
Welcome! This channel is all about teaching early education for small kids by helping you to improve your skills in an easy and fun way. Remember to subscribe! Today, we're going to do some stamps, a heart stamp. But, Marcelo, tell your friend what we're going to use. We're going to use paper roll, paper toilet roll. Also, we need purple paint and red paint. You can use pink, you can use white, okay? And also, we're going to use tape. And that's it. See, it's too easy. Where is the roll, Marcelo? Here. What are you going to do? You're going to do a heart. Look, you're going to push here like this. Look, and you're going to have a heart like this one. See? It's too easy. And then you're going to add a little bit of tape here so can destroy your heart. You can see me? Yes. Look, you're going to add some tape here around. See? And you're going to have your heart.
I see.
Oh, yes. You can see me. So, we're going to use color red and color purple to do some heart stands. Marcelo is going to do it. So, we have to take, look, a little bit of color red here like this. And Marcelo is going to stamp in a paper. And you're going to see, wow, a heart. You can use more. See, you can decorate a St. Valentine's card. And also, we can use color. What color is this?
Purple.
Yes, it's color purple. We can use color purple here. And we're going to use another heart. Look, we have another one here. So we can mix and you can have now color purple. Look. Wow, I like your heart. See, we can do many hearts. Many hearts. Now I'm gonna do with purple and Marcel is gonna do with red. See, remember, you can use color white, you can use color pink, and you can decorate your card for mommy, for daddy, for a friend,
For my friend.
for Marcelo's friend. You can do more, Marcelo. Mommy's gonna bring a marker, so we're going to write here, Happy Valentine's Day. What do you think? Do some more. Hurry up. Your friends are waiting. Hurry. Wow, look at mix the colors. Purple and red. I love it.
I have purple and red.
Wow, very
I
good.
have purple and red.
Wow.
I have purple and red.
Wow, wonderful. So you can write down any message like Happy Valentine's Day. And remember too, we are. Oh my God, we're watching you. Lots of kids. Happy Valentine's Day.